It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm there in Sinaloa. Sinaloa is a part of Mexico famed for its cartelling, kidnappings and killing. I'm here for an altogether different reason. Now, in my time in Mexico, I've traveled on boats, planes, barges, ferries, and bikes. But there leaves one form of transport that isn't so common here in Mexico: the humble train. And today we're going to travel in the Chihuahua Pacifico, commonly known as El Chepe. Now, the reason why I'm on El Chepe is because this train passes through one of those beautiful bits of Mexico, the Copper Canyon. This is a canyon that is bigger and deeper than the Grand Canyon in the United States. Now, I've been on the train for a couple of hours now and I am fucking hungry. Now, I think there's something like really nostalgic about trains. I also don't think we appreciate them enough if you're from Europe. Like, I lived in Colombia for lots of years and there's no trains there, no public trains that people can get on anyway. And it's the same in Mexico. This is the only passenger train in Mexico. And I don't know, there's something about looking out the window at the tracks. They're always old, there's so much history behind them. How they were built, days of proper men working outside. Yeah, I don't know. It gets me excited to be on a train, especially a train like this. This train is cool. It's very old school. It's probably the oldest train I've ever been in. But it's not too bad. There is another train that runs on this route that is a tourist train, and it costs a couple of $100. But they told me I wasn't supposed to get on this train, that it's not ready for tourists, but I chanced it, and it's nice, everyone's been friendly, and it cost about $35 the whole trip, so can't complain. It's now about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've been on the train for a few hours and I am starving. The drink card didn't look amazing, but I'm going to go check it out and see what there is. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Gracias, unos burritos. Y un tamal de elote. Sí, ¿que son grandes o no? Bueno, uno de elote y uno de carne. So I got myself some tamales and some burritos and a cup of tea. They don't look great, but I'm thinking we'll try. Try the burritos. That's probably the worst food I've ever had in Mexico. I'm cooking on a little George Foreman grill. I've not seen one of those in years. Okay. Try the tamale now. Really fucking hot there. Yeah, the burrito, no. Come on, let's do better than this. Let's try this tamal. I'm going to unwrap it. one meat one and one corn one. I don't really know what a tamal is. And they have them in Colombia as well. It's like we're always wrapped in a leaf. It feels like quite corny. Bro. Ah, it's fucking boiling. Nips that in the microwave, aren't they? It's alright. It's not great. Well, the meat one looked better. Ah. I don't know. Bit dog foody. Look at my hungry. Well, that was definitely a mixed bag. In controversial news, for one of the first times in my life, I'm going to leave food that is inedible. It's got this weird, like, artificial taste to it. Chepe, you failed me. I'm not giving Mexico justice. Mexico has amazing food, and I feel in these videos I'm not showing you the best. We'll have to do a food video focused on the incredible food. But not good. But hey, it's filled me up. Now there's a lot of armed guards on the train. I presume that's because of the cartel presence in the area. But we'll try and have a chat with one of them at some point. Una foto de ustedes es que las que trabajan en el tren en mi país no son tan guapas como ustedes. Me molesta. Ahora sí. ¿Y les gusta trabajar en el tren? Está cool, ¿no? Con las vistas y... bonito todo el viaje. Sí, ¿no? Ah, son de Chihuahua. ¿Y se quedan en los mochis esperando el tren para volver? A mí me gustan los mochis. La playa está linda. Nunca he ido a la playa. ¿Por qué no? ¿Por qué no?
Pues llegamos muy tarde y ya nos vamos a dormir.
Es el siguiente día. Ah, hay que esperar un día porque está muy buena. spectacular. It's wonderful. There's river, there's waterfall, huge mountain. Oh, boys, you wait. Now I've been thinking about safety and security. Because everyone always talks about Mexico being unsafe. I think there's some statistics that might back that up. But what I will say that I'm on a lovely train. I've left my bag in my seat. I'm in the worst class of the worst train possible, and I've zero fear that anyone's going to steal anything. We don't get that in Europe. I feel pickpockets and people taking this stuff. And just because a few cartel members kidnap and kill each other doesn't mean that we should be scared of Mexico. I think it's super safe. I've been here for a year and I've not had any problem. I'm missing out on stuff like this by not coming. I've put a story up on my Instagram, and already 3 or 4 people within Mexicans have sent me messages saying they've always wanted to go to Chepe, but they're in danger. They're missing out on that.
Este es café y son comandos, morras. No. Pinche onda agarras, pues. Bueno, gritando, muy gritando.
¿Por qué tiene tanta energía?
Ah, no, porque me gusta el trabajo. Vamos a llegar a Temoris.
¿Aquí?
Temoris, porque aquí toda la gente, porque el espacio. Drugs. No, drugs. Ah, pues, ¿qué quieres? ¿Qué quieres, pues? No necesitas saber. No voy a que no. Hola, tú digas. ¿Quieres, pues? ¿Dónde? Te voy a echar grandote.
Ese man siempre es así. Ese man siempre es así. Siempre es loco.
Temoris is techo.
With my new friend. ¿Cómo es tu nombre?
Luis Alberto.
Luis Alberto. ¿Cuántos años llevas trabajando acá?
17.
17.
Sí.
¿Y qué tal? Feliz, ¿no?
A gusto. Me gusta.
¿De qué te gusta tu trabajo?
Es good. Vale, bueno. Ve a estación de Temoris. Río Level. Sí, no comprendo. Es el tío Lucas Tañeda. Es el tío Lucas. Miren que tú y yo estamos locos. Bueno, aquí ven.
Vamos.
Dice de 3 levels, los 3 niveles, una cascada. Al momento de subir, carga del otro lado, ahora. Fíjate nada más. Bueno, ya, tómate el rollo, bueno, no comprendo. No comprendo. Piquito grande.
Y hablo español también. Es que me gusta molestarle, no sé, yo no te divertido. Hola, ¿qué tal? Yo soy inglés.
Inglés de Inglaterra.
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Vas a compartir las papas? No, mentira.
Anda queriendo bajar a la porra del snack, por eso traigo entrado.
Ya como 5 veces.
Habla muy bien español.
Gracias.
Estudiaste.
¿Dónde lo agarraste?
En España y Colombia.
Vaya Colombia.
¿Te gustan los chicos latinos? ¿Te gustamos la gente latina?
No, la gente latina está
loco.
O sea, cuando uno va el vagón por ahí, es un paparino, los americanos ahí. Aquí más interesante, ¿no?
Bueno, ya me agarré, Moris, ahí está la estación, güey, no puedes filmando. Ya está, güey, ahí está, güey.
No, por este lado, ¿qué no?
Solo quiere distraerme, yo sé.
¿Cómo, güey?
Yo sé cómo eres.
No, mira, ahí está, güey.
¿Qué hay?
La estación. Van a ser los 3 niveles en la curva, la de herradura, vamos a subir 3 niveles.
¿Cómo es ahí?
Yo, güey, por ahí voy a subir, gente.
It's fucking funny, man. Funny. I don't know what he's on about. He's like 3 levels. Something's gonna happen. But I'm enjoying like a Benny Hill character. I just keep following him around and annoying him. Yo no comprendo. But something's coming up that's supposedly important, so we'll check it out. Los Mochis was weird. I was there for a week because I was sick, so I stayed, like I was just waiting to get better so I could take the train. Kind of a weird place to spend a week. We don't, like I'm from England, we don't have places like that. It's a very like new town where they come and they built it and it's everything in squares and like all the restaurants are really big. It's I don't know, it feels strange to me. It feels very like American, I imagine American. But
It was ¿cómo se dice? Todo lo hizo un gringo aquí.
okay.
Todas las calles, todo lo trazó un gringo. El Mr. Owen, que es este camino también, él pensó todo esto. Y por eso está medio gringadón, sí.
Hasta. Impressed with this rail. Got retaining walls, tunnels, so much work's gone into it. I don't know how long it took them to finish, but it's insane. So I've decided to get off. I've decided to get off the Chepe Express and go for a little explore around this copper canyon. I'm in a place called Chivo. Someone told me there was like a viewpoint and you can get some access to the river, so hola. Hello guy, hello. Oh, huele muy mal. The smell of this dog, but he's quite cute. You wanna come for a walk? Where are we gonna go? We're gonna go for a walk. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna call you Chepe. Come on, Chepe.
Imagino que donde vive es puro llano, ¿verdad?
¿Eh?
Allá donde viven ustedes es puro llano.
Llano.
Puro parejo, pues.
Ah, por plano.
Puro plano.
¿Dónde crees que soy?
Italia.
Italia. Ah, fanculo, que strong.
Ustedes de allá donde están echando bombarrazos, no bombas allá. Allá por los cuernos.
Palestina.
Palestina.
Sí.
De allá usted.
Soy judío.
Nomás que se vino para acá, ¿no? Le sacó.
Para escapar.
Sí, se escapó, no viene para acá. Hasta aquí en los cerros, no le hacen nada aquí en los cerros.
Tú eres malito, señor.
No, qué maldito. No, usted se vino de allá por eso. Le tuvo miedo ya a los palestinos allá.
No puedes decir cosas así, señor. I'm here with the lovely Monsell, who's picked me up in his little bus. And the drive about 3 hours now, but we're coming to the viewpoint. The view's been pretty nice on the way. la madre!
No lo creía que venía acá para los cerros, ¿no?
Wow. Wow. A la verga. So I've finally made it to this viewpoint that they've been talking about, and I don't know what I was expecting, but have a look at this. This is insane. Absolutely enormous. Truly breathtaking. Now, I have never been to the Grand Canyon. This has got to be comparable. Now, this is the proper Mirador. It's got a glass floor with bits missing. Oh, and then I mean, this is special. I'm struggling to think of a time when I've seen a better view than this. Jesus, that gives me vertigo.